Yes, good evening, guys. Good evening, all. How is your day? Is it audible or not? Yeah. Let's don't waste our time because we are lagging our subject. Oops, should be started before 1 week only, but it is almost late. Voice is low. Okay, okay. Let me tell. Everyone got idea about recursion, right? You guys already know what is recursion. Am I correct? Any doubts in this topic? I have written for sum of numbers, right? I have written sum using recursion. I have done using recursion. I told you to find factorial also, right? I told you to find factorial using recursion. Voice is very low. Wait, let me check. Yeah, give me a minute, I will check it. Yeah. Is it okay now? Tell me, is it okay? I told you to write factorial program using recursion. Have you done? Everyone done with this? Everyone done with factorial program? And one more thing, guys. Yesterday I told you that from today onwards we will shift the platform. But with some other works, it is delayed. From tomorrow onwards, platform is changed, guys. Okay? Definitely we will change our platform. Today I will complete this recursion topic with some examples and I will give introduction about OOPS concept. I will give OOPS introduction. From tomorrow onwards, the actual OOPS will start, okay? Tell me the code for factorial program. Yeah, if n double equal to 1, some are saying if n equal to 1, return 1, else return 1 plus, sorry, 1 into fact of n minus 1. Is this you are telling? Is this you are telling, guys? Any changes in it? Tell me, I am asking you again. Is this the program correct or I need to change anything? Anywhere wrong in my program? Any mistake is there? If you respond only, it will be fast, guys. Otherwise, it will be very slow. Already we are in very slow. Correct? Okay, let me check. What is 5 factorial, guys? What is 5 factorial? Why I am getting 1? See here, I am getting 1. You said correct answer. You said answer is correct. And program is also correct. But I am getting, someone said replace 1 with n. Yeah. Muhammad Ghosh said correct. If n equal to 0, return 1 and n into factorial of n minus 1. This is the perfect program, guys. If you see me, now I will get 120. I asked for 5 times. Is my program correct? Is my program correct? Is my program correct? You said yes sir, it is correct. Be prepared, guys. From tomorrow onwards you will get questions. I will ask you every line. While I am writing program, I will ask you every line. I will call one person randomly. I will ask you which statement I should write here. Okay. Oops is not a programmatical. It is all theoretical part. So I will ask. Oops, almost 90% is theory only. Whatever we have learned before oops, that will be used in the oops concept. That's it. Oops means arranging in a systematical order. This is done, right? Now I will tell one more program for you guys. I will tell strong number program. You guys try for perfect number. I will tell Armstrong. You guys try for prime number. Now I am doing strong number using recursion. Okay. You guys already know, right? What is a strong number? What is a strong number? You know, right? For finding strong number, we need factorial. So here I will call factorial. I will use that factorial program in my strong number program. Okay. To avoid number of code, lines of code, I will use that program because I have written that already. I will use that, reuse that. Okay. I need to check is this a strong number or not. Okay. My logic is if n double equal to 0, return 0, else return factorial dot fact of n percentage 10. Why I am writing n percentage 10, guys? Okay, let me complete this statement. After that I will ask you. Tell me now, is this program correct or not? Now again I am asking, is this program correct for strong number? It will give strong number or not? This program will return a one number. Okay, let me write main method also. Some Bhayankara developers will be there. They will say, sir, there is no main method. You are not comparing like that. I know you guys. Now tell me, is this program correct? I have written main method also. In last program someone said it is not a, there is no main method, sir. Now I have main method. I am comparing it. Is this program correct or not? Tell me. Yeah, I got 2 answers. Yeah, correct. 3 answers. There are 130 people. I am getting only 30 answers. 3 answers. No, someone saying it is no. Then tell me what is the correct answer. Who is that person? Srikanth. Srikanth is telling that it is not a correct answer. Tell me what is that. What is the correct answer? Tell me, guys. If n equal to 1. Okay, done. I will make it 1 also. Is it correct? Now is it correct, Abbas? Yeah, in if statement only. Yeah. Tell me, Srikanth. Let me check. What is the strong number, guys? Why I am getting it is not a strong number? 145 is a strong number, right? I am getting it is not a strong number. Why means? Let me print that. Let me comment this if statement and this statement. Both statements I will comment it. Let me directly print what that method returns. 145. It is returning 144. See his 144. I am entering 145. It is returning 144. Why means whenever you keep if n equal to 1 means if there is one digit in my number, it will return 0 directly. But my number should become whenever my number should become 0 at that time only I need to return 0. If n equal to 1 means if there is a content that here n contains 2, assume that it is 2, it will return 0. Is it correct? No. It is not correct logic, guys. Whenever n becomes 0, that means whenever n contains no numbers. What is the factorial logic, guys? Sorry, factorial not. Strong number logic. Factorial of individual digit, right? Let me write it in. Again I am telling you that strong number logic again. Strong number means 145. 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 1 factorial. This is n. 5. First I will find 1 digit factorial, 5 factorial. I will delete this. Now n becomes 14. Next iteration. I will find 4 factorial. I will delete this. Now n is 1. Whenever n is 1 also, I need to find n factorial. N is 1. After finding n factorial, I will delete that also. Now n becomes 0. Whenever n becomes 0, at that time I need to return 0. Okay. If you write n equal to 1, return 1 means it will skip the 1 factorial. If it is 145, whenever n equal to 1, it will return 1. Let me tell. If it is, assume that 245. Just assume that 245 is a strong number. Is n equal to 1? No, it is 2, right? In the last iteration, we are saying n equal to 1, return 1. Is my last digit equal to 1? No, it is equal to 2. At that time you will get error. So you should write 0 only here. Whenever n is 0, that means whenever input is 0, at that time return 0. If there is any input other than 0, find factorial of that. Now if I write this means I will get my answer 145. I am getting 145 directly. See here 145. It is a strong number. Am I getting it? Now your doubt clear? Why should I write 0 only? Why can't I write 1? Why can't I return 1? What error will come when I return 1? Yeah. Now let me move for Armstrong number also, okay? Let me write for Armstrong number also, guys, okay? I will explain this program last. This is the last program in recursion, okay? I won't explain any more programs. This is more than enough. I am explaining the difficult programs. Because strong number we need factorial. I explained factorial. For Armstrong number we need count. I will found count also using recursion, okay? I will recursion means without using single loop. Recursion means without using single loop, okay? You should not use any loop. If they interview in the interview, if they ask to write a program using recursion, you should not write any for loop or while loop. Any loop. You can't use any loop, guys, okay? You did not use. You should not use. It is mandatory that you should write in recursion only, using recursion only. If you write using loop means it will become methods. You know, write methods. Calling method. Write that program logic in one method. Call that method repeatedly. It is by using methods. Whenever they say using recursion means you should not use any loop. If you see means, am I using any loop in my program? Am I using any loop in my program? No. Yeah. Now let's move for Armstrong number. Can you tell me how to write Armstrong number logic? First I will write this is my program, guys. My method is count. Whenever I can't call this method, it should return how many digits are there. Okay. Tell me the logic for writing this. Try for it. How to find count of digits, number of digits in my number using recursion. Can anyone tell me? Try it. I will give 1 minute of time. Try it. Yeah, okay. Count plus plus. Where is count? Don't worry, I will tell. I will explain. Don't worry. If same logic, guys. N double equal to 0, return 0, okay? Else, return 1 plus count of n divided by 10. That's it, guys. Every time I am calling count with removing one digit. Assume that see here I am calling count for 153. It should return 3, right? It should return this. How it is returning means if n double equal to 0, I am returning 0. Otherwise return 1 plus count of n by 10. N by 10 means first time I am calling 153. Is 153 equal to 0? Is 153 equal to 0, guys? Tell me this. Just answer what I am asking, okay? No. That means this statement is not executed. It will execute, right? This will execute. Am I correct? This will execute. Is it correct or not? Whenever it is executing, it will return 1 plus count of n by 10, okay? I have 1 plus count of n by 10. Again I am calling count of 15. N divided by 10 means it will delete last digit. It will give only 15, right? Now it will come again. Let me explain you. In first iteration 1 plus count of 15. From here it will call again count of 15. Now I am calling count with 15, guys. Is 15 equal to 0? Is 15 equal to 0? No. This statement is not executed. This will get executed. Again 1 plus count of 1, because here I am calling n by 10, that is 15 by 10. It will give 1. Again I will call with count of 1 plus count of 10. Count of 1 means here I am calling count of 1. Wait, let me erase this. Count of 1. That means is this equal to 0? 1 equal to 0? No. It is not executed. This will get executed. Again 1 plus count of 0. Now 1 is also deleted. 1 by 10. That is 0.1. It is 0. 0 means it will return in this call. It will come again. 1 plus. Sorry, not 1 plus. Wait a minute. Not 1 plus. Whenever count is 0, n is 0. Here n equal to 0. 0, right? Whenever 0 equal to 0, condition satisfied. It is true, right? It will return 0. That is here 0. 1 plus 0, 1. It will give back to 1. Here I have 1. 1 plus 1, 2. From here it will return 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Finally it will return 3 to me. Final output is 3. Clear, guys? Everybody clear? How it is getting executed? I am teaching from the basics, guys. From the bottom, from the scratch I am explaining. It is not mandatory to explain recursion. I can say just recursion means calling method itself up to certain condition. I can tell example, one example I can skip it, but I am explaining in detail because it is very useful. So I am explaining. Please put some concentration, okay? You know count is clear. Now I need to find it is a strong number or not, Armstrong or not, okay? Int n comma int power. For finding Armstrong number, I need power, right? I should find power of that number. You know Armstrong number logic? I think so. You know, right? Power of that digits. How many digits are there? That much power of individual digit. Same if condition. If n equal to 0, return 0, else return. Tell me guys, what should I return? Math.power of n percentage 10 comma. Why I am writing n percentage 10? Percentage 10 is for finding last digit. For taking last digit, I am using percentage 10. Power means I am taking from the user input. How much power? I will pass this count to the power, okay? How much count I will get, that much power I will pass here. Math.power will return which data type guys? Math.power will return which type of data? It will return double data, double type data. Am I correct? So I need to typecast it. If you see here means it is type mismatch. Cannot convert from double to int. Add cast to int. It is casted, right? Typecasting. I am casting double to integer type. After that, I will call same method. Armstrong of n by 10. By 10 is for deleting last digit. Same power. For every number I should write same power, right? That's it. That's all guys. Simple programs. How many lines of program are there? 1, 2, 3. I can write it in single line also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines of code is enough for finding Armstrong number. Just 4 lines of code. If you use by recursion means it will decrease the length of code, okay? Main method. I will take scanner input. Armstrong of n comma. Now here I will call count guys. Count of n. That's it. If it is equal to n. Okay. You guys will get confused, so I will write it in another one, okay? That's it guys. Everyone understood? Any doubt in this program? Will it work for that or not? Tell me. Is it correct or it will throw any error? Respond fast guys. Are you interested for oops or not? Yeah. Let me run this. 153, it is a strong number. Done. Is it done guys? Will you try for range or I need to tell? Will you guys try for range or I need to explain? Using recursion only guys. You should not use loops here. Will you try it? I don't need yes or no. If you try means explain once. Yeah, that's it. That's good. For the same programs I will explain. For finding range I will write a method guys. Okay. Tell. I will ask you guys only. Tell me. How to do it? Tell me. Explain. Okay. No problem. This is my method guys. My method return type is void because I'm not interested to check again it is a strong number or not. This method, whenever I call this method, it will print automatically. For printing I'm using void method. Okay. Void as return type. If condition is start is equal to end. I will return guys. Okay. If start is equal to end, it will return. Otherwise, did I need to write logic or can I use the old program guys? You guys need logic again or can I use it from the strong number program? Guys, we are a bad developers guys. We are a lazy fellows. So we should not write every time. We should reuse the code. Why need same logic right? If you write the logic here also same thing. If I use also same thing. That's why I'm using. I'm decreasing time. If I write logic means it will take again 5 minutes. Why it is mandatory? If it is Armstrong, I will print start. After printing, I will call again strong. Okay. That's it, guys. This is my program. I think explanation is not needed. If anybody need explanation means ask me. I think so it is not needed. You guys already know what is return statement. Okay, you are giving work for me. Okay, I will explain. Don't worry. Sixth line. What is that sixth line, guys? I am writing a method. That's it. I am writing a method, that's it. In 6th line, it is a method, right? This is a method calling statement. Method definition. Oh my god, you are thinking that there is no access modifier. If there is no public, there is no access modifier means it is a default method. Public static void. Static is the modifier, or you can say it is a method type of method, static method. Void is a return type. Strong in range is my method name. Start and end is the arguments. Why start and end is? Why I am taking start and end is? I need to iterate from start to end. I am using range, right? So for finding range, I need start value and end value. At first base condition, I will check if start and end are same. That means it is over, right? I am at the end of the stage. Start value and end value is same means it is the end of the range. Am I correct? Let me explain you clearly. You guys are putting more efforts. Whenever I am calling strong method, okay? Strong in range with 1 to 100. First it will check is 1 equal to 100. It will return directly. Return means it will go back to the calling statement. It will go back to the calling method. Otherwise, it will check one more condition. Strong number condition. Strong of start 1. If it is strong number, compare with start value. Print that. And after printing, call this method again for 1 plus 1. One plus 1 comma 100. End value won't change. Start value every time I'm calling, I will increase start value with 1. That's it, the program. It will start and end. This is start, this is end. First start is 1. Now here start and end, guys. Is start and end are same? End is 100. Is 1 equal to 100? No, it is not equal to 100. Is 1 equal to 100? No, right? So this statement is not executed. It will come here. I am passing start value to strong method. This strong method will check that it is a strong number or not. This if condition will say if it is a strong number it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Am I correct? Whatever the logic I have written here, this will tell if it is a strong number it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Am I correct? See here, strong number in range is my using recursion. It is my class name, guys. It is my class name. Strong is my method name. See here, this is my strong number program, right? This is my strong number program. Class name is strong number using recursion. It's my class name. In this I have a method called strong. What is the work of this method? It will find, it will check it is a strong number or not. It will return the number. Okay? Tell, guys. And which type of method it is? It is a static method. It is a static method, right? How can I access static method? By using class name. Same thing. In this class I am using strong number using recursion. Class name dot method name. I am passing value as start. You can pass, if you want to start from starting to ending, you can pass start, otherwise you can pass end also. Whenever you are passing end means here you will pass end minus minus, end minus 1. You can iterate from first to last. You can iterate from last to first also. Whatever the order you want, you can follow. I want order from starting to ending. That's why I am using this. If you see means, if I run it, it is asking 1 2. I will give 1000. 1 and 2 and 145 are the strong numbers. Okay, these are the strong numbers. If I give 10,000 also, it will work. At some time, it will throw stack overflow error because my stack is up to only 8,000 lines, but I am giving 10,000. Stack overflow. Are you getting this? Understood, guys? I think everyone got this. Same thing. I will explain for Armstrong also, don't worry. I know I got about your knowledge, I got an idea. But you guys only try for perfect number. If you try, you will get. If you don't try also, it is not my problem. If you want knowledge, try it. Otherwise, you can leave it. It is my duty to explain some programs, right? So I am explaining. Remaining all left to you. If you want, you can learn. Otherwise, just come watch classes. Go sleep. Same logic, guys. I am not changing any logic here because it will be simple. You can write in many ways, but I am preferring this because it will be very simple. Same logic. If start equal to end, directly written. Otherwise, check if Armstrong. This will be very lengthy. I will break it two parts. Okay. For finding Armstrong, I need count, right? So I'm calling count also. I'm calling both the methods here in the same line. System.out.println start. After printing it, I will call again this method. Start plus 1 comma end. That's it. That's all about my program. It is done. Start with 1, end with 5000. If you see means I am getting answers. Here I am getting answers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 153, 370, 371, 407, 1634. That's all. And someone said, sir, you are moving very fast. I can't able to take screenshots also. For them, I am waiting. If you want this program, take screenshot and practice. I will give 3 seconds of time. Take screenshot of it. Done. Now I will open one more program. Take this program also. Take this program also. Take this one also. Simple logic, factorial logic also. Let me post a poll for you guys. I have one small question for you. There is a question in your poll. Put yes or no, okay? I need to check your interest. We are putting 100% efforts on you. This is actually our lunch time, dinner time. In that time also, after completing whole day, oh, 6% people is not interested. Okay, don't come. If you don't have interest, don't come. Yeah, we will provide recorded videos. We will provide recorded videos. We will upload after the class. Today video will be uploaded in tomorrow. Oh, 7% people. Don't come. If you are not interested, don't come. Tomorrow onwards, we will shift our platform. Okay. If you're really interested, if you are willing to learn OOPS concept very clearly without any doubts means come. Why we are shifting platform means you are only less than 200 people. In YouTube we can't interact. This will be lagging. There will be a lag. Latency guys. There will be latency. So that's why we can't directly interact with you. Without interaction, OOPS concepts will not understand. So we are shifting our platform. That's it. Take this program also. Among 150 votes, total 170 viewers are there. Only 150 people have voted. Only 150 people have voted. 20%. They are not interested to vote also. Take this program. If you done means I will start with OOPS. If you tell yes means I will start. Okay guys, I'm going to give you attendance link also. You go on if you want implement your own logic. Otherwise use this also. Use take this also. Some how to find some using recursion. We won't delete any videos. After shifting platform also you will get videos on YouTube. Don't worry. Everyday class will be uploaded in YouTube also. Okay. I am going to send your attendance link. Fill it fastly. Now time is 9:06. I will give up to 9:12. I will give 6 minutes of time to fill your attendance. After that I will close it. Today just I will explain what is OOPS, how many topics are there. Okay, because I don't want to make confuse. Yeah. How many have submitted your assignments, guys? How many are submitted your assignments? Yeah, okay. Is there any problem with my teaching, guys? Anyone facing problem? No, no. Then why I am getting? I will provide notes. Don't worry. Okay. I will give notes. I will give directly PDF to you. All are saying no, no, no. But in the attendance link, 9 people given one, rating as one. Same person is submitting 2 times also. Okay, what about the your rating? I don't worry about that. If you are really interested, come. Otherwise, just go. Go to hell. That's it. It is not my problem. I am doing my level best. I am giving my best. I am giving examples. But still, you are not getting means. That is not my problem. Now I'm starting OOPS concept. I will explain what is the basic things. Hey, okay, no problem, man. I don't worry about ratings. I know what I am. I know what I am. From 500 people, 100 people, they don't understand also. I don't worry. I will teach for that 400 people only, okay? I don't worry about your ratings. Don't worry. I will give my level best for remaining people. Even God not give 100%, okay? If there are 100 people means opposite person if they are teaching 100% also. 100 people can't get understand. Only 70 people will get understand. If everybody get understand, everyone should get first rank. In the same class, someone will get first rank, someone will get second rank. Based on their knowledge, based on their interest, it will get understand. It is not my fault. In which way you are taking the classes, it will be affected you only. If you keep positive hope and if you listen the class means, it will get understand more easily. Okay, let's talk about OOPS, guys. Okay, I think everyone knows OOPS. Yeah, by the end of the class, I need to prepare it, guys. I'm not taking any notes here. I need to prepare it, so I will give you. Tell me what is OOPS concept, guys. Everyone knows, I think so. OOPS has four pillars. We say it as pillars. We call it as pillars, right? Object-oriented programming language. It is already discussed in the starting day classes only. OOPS means object-oriented programming language. Okay, one is abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, then inheritance. These are the four basic concepts, guys. Not only basic concepts. These are the only four topics which we had there in OOPS concepts. Okay. These are the main pillars of OOPS. Total OOPS, object-oriented programming languages, depending on the four topics: abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance. These four are the main pillars. For constructing a building, you need pillars. Like that, if any programming language which is supported with object oriented, without these four topics, we can't able to achieve that objective. Okay, just keep in mind that in OOPS we have four pillars: abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance. We have four. I can able to tell all topics in single day. In single class, I will take half an hour time and I will explain what is inheritance, what is polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. Within 1 hour, I can complete this topic. If you really show interest means I will take time and I will explain in detail. Otherwise, I will complete it in 1 day. I will close your batch. That's it. Now, today I will start with inheritance. Okay. From the topic till we have 10 minutes of time. So I will start with inheritance. Can anyone tell me inheritance? Generally tell what is inheritance, guys. I'm not asking about programming language. In general English, what is the word inheritance means? In general English, daily life, what it will refer? We can say it inheritance or inherit. Forget about this. Inherit. I am damn sure that you are all heard this word inherit. Inheritance means, guys, see here, yeah, good. Inheritance means acquiring properties, guys. Okay, acquiring properties from one to another. This is in general, but in programming, what we have, guys? In programming, everything will be defined in classes, right? In programming, everything will be written in classes. Attendance will won't work. I have already stopped. You guys are 140 people. I have seen the maximum strength is 140, 150 people. But in attendance, I got 200 responses. Not 200. It is more than 200. It is around 250 people. I am tired of these things. Same person is filling attendance repeatedly. In Java, we have everything will be in classes. Class is the main thing in Java. So, acquiring properties from one class to another class. Yeah, I don't ask about real life examples. I'm just explaining what is inheritance. I will explain. I have that patience. I will explain you. I'm explaining the definition, guys. Whenever someone asks, explain OOPS concept, you need to tell definition, syntax. You need to tell 3 to 4 points. What should you tell? I will explain you. I will give you. Acquiring properties from one class to another class. Okay. Okay, you know acquiring properties. See here. Assume that this is one class. This is one class, okay? This is one more class. I am getting properties from A class to B class, guys. If I show a symbol like this means up arrow. Arrow like this. This is a symbol for inheritance, okay? Acquiring properties from one class to another class. A class has some properties, okay? It has some basic properties. I am acquiring that properties. I am getting that properties to B class. All the properties which have for A class. All properties of A class. All properties of A class will be present in B class. Along with that, some extra properties also. Okay. Okay, guys. It is whenever it is acquiring properties means it is not defined that it won't tell that these are the properties, that's it. It can't have any more properties. Whenever B class is having inheriting from A class, B class contains properties of A class. Along with the properties of A class, you can have other properties also. Okay. For getting inheritance, that means for acquiring properties from one class to another class, Java provides a keyword, guys. for getting inheritance, for achieving inheritance, for getting properties, for acquiring properties from one class to another class. Java provides a keyword. Which keyword it is? Extends keyword, okay? Extends keyword. Whenever you write a class with extends keyword with another class name, let me show you in the Eclipse only. Okay, I don't write class inheritance. I will write A, okay? I have a class called A, guys, okay? In this, I have a method called M1 method with some implementation, okay? What is that implementation? I am from A class. Whenever I call M1 method, it is present in A class. It is printing that from A class, okay? Now in this file only I will create, okay? I will create one more class, okay? Class B. I am creating one more class, guys. B class. Now I will extends A. See here. Am I getting any error? As I said, to acquire properties from one class to another class, Java provides a keyword called extends. Class B extends A. We should not write class A. We just write class name. Class B extends. Which class you are extending? You need to mention that class A. I can assume that there is a main method in my program. I can able to call M1 method here, guys, okay? See here. I can able to call directly M1 method. But where my M1 method is present, guys? Where is my M1 method? It is in A class. Am I correct? If you clearly observe means my M1 method is present in A class. But I am calling it in B class. If I write without extends means, if I remove extends means, it will throw error, guys. See here, it is throwing error. There is no M1 method in B class. If I don't write extends means, it is throwing error. Yeah, there is no main method. I am not executing A class, right? There is no use of main method in my A class. That's why I am not writing. If I extends means, I can able to call it directly. If I run it also, I am from A class. Am I getting it? I am getting the properties of A class, right? Assume that there is a static variable, okay? Static int A equal to 100. If I try to print that A also, I can able to print it, guys. Is there any A present in my B class? Is there any A value present in my B class, guys? Is there any A present in my B class? No. But I can able to call it, right? I can able to print. If you see means, I can able to print it. I am getting the value. Got it, guys? I'm acquiring the properties, right? Now, along with it, in my B class, along with that also, in my B class, I can able to have more methods, guys. It is not like that means whenever you are extending properties, whenever you are inheriting properties, only the properties of A class can be present. It is not like that. After acquiring, you can have different properties also. Now I can able to call M2 method also. M2 method is a B class one. It is present in B class. I am from B class. Got it, guys? Any doubt? Just I am explaining simple things. It is not fully explained, guys. There are a lot of topics in inheritance. I will explain in detail. It is just basic example. To give an just idea about inheritance, I am explaining. What is inheritance? Just a basic idea. It is not the actual inheritance. I will explain you in detail. A real-time example. I will explain you. Don't worry, okay? Then, just see here, guys. I think we have time. We have 3 minutes of time. It's more than enough for me. The class from which we are acquiring properties, guys. From which we are acquiring properties, that class is called as superclass. The class from which we are acquiring properties. You can write definitions. Otherwise, I will show you, okay? The class from which we are acquiring properties. From which, listen carefully. From which we are acquiring properties. That class is called as superclass. Superclass or parent class. In general, all YouTubers will say parent class, okay? Most of the faculty will say parent class. Superclass means the class from which properties are getting acquired. From which we are taking properties. To which we are getting. To which we are getting, okay? Which we are getting properties. To which we are getting properties, it is called subclass. Subclass or child class, okay? Understood, guys? I will write points also, don't worry. If you want, you can take screenshot of it. Okay. Give me a minute, guys. So here I will write points. If you want, you can take note of it. First point, okay? It is a process of acquiring properties from one class to another class. Okay. You should say these points, guys. Okay. It is mandated to say this point. It is a basic point. Basic and important point. Okay. Next point. Write this also. To achieve inheritance. This is the notes, right? Again, you are asking notes. What the bloody? Am I playing any videos here? I am giving the notes. I am giving the points for inheritance. You can take it. If you have patience, write. If you want knowledge, write it. Take a book and pen, write it. Otherwise, take screenshots. Okay. The class from which the properties are getting acquired. That class is called. Tell me what that class is called, guys. Tell me. Finish the statement. If you listen the class means finish the statement. You guys don't listen class, but you want notes. Super class. Super class or parent class. I will copy same thing because I don't have patience to write. You are spoiling my mood every day. Day by day you are spoiling. Done? Four points done, guys. These are enough for this. Tomorrow I will explain types of inheritance. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain types of inheritance. Those who are really interested, come to other platform. And one more thing, guys. We have just discussed it. Along with the other platform, you will get live stream in YouTube also. If you are really interested, if you want interaction, come and attend in that platform. Otherwise, you can watch it in YouTube also. You can watch it in YouTube also. This live streaming will be done. And if you want really the concepts, you can attend that class. Okay. Tomorrow we will see how many people will attend that. That's it for today. Good night, guys. Bye bye. Yeah, Ravi Kumar, what is your doubt? Yeah, somebody is asking doubt. Yeah, tell me what is your doubt, guys? Okay. Someone asked doubt, but they went away. Bye bye. Thank you. Good night. You will get, man. At the starting of the class, I said, right? With some other works, we are busy today. Tomorrow, we will get mails or you will get that link through WhatsApp groups.